Hi viewers, this is Rabindranath Singh and you are watching Rabindranath Singh Mathematics Guruji. Today is the second class of CBSE Class 8 Mathematics and today we are going to learn exponents. First we have to pass through some formulae of exponents. Let's start the video. Now first we'll learn some formula, that is a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Okay. Now if, for example, what is the example? x cube into x to the power 7, and what is the answer? When the bases are equal and when the bases are equal and it is the multiplication, the exponents are added, that is 3 plus 7 is equal to x to the power 10. Okay. Now when it is a division, that is a to the power m divided by a to the power n, then the exponents are subtracted, and the example is, if you divide x to the power 7 divided by x to the power 3, then the result is 7 minus 3, that is x to the power 4. Okay. Now next formula is a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power mn. Let x square and whole to the power 5. Then what should be the answer? X square whole to the power 5. Then the answer is x to the power 2 into 5, that is x to the power 10. Okay. Now a to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power plus m. Now the example is, let's x to the power minus 3. Now what is the result? X to the power 1 by x cube. It does mean that 1 by x to the power 3. Okay. Now number 4, a to the power minus 1, that is 1 by a to the power minus 1, anything to the power minus 1, it is 1 by a, or x to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 by x. Okay. Now number 5th is anything to the power 0 equals to 1. Anything x to the power 0 equals to 1. Y to the power 0 equals to 1. 5 to the power 0 equals to 1. Anything to the power 0 equals to 1. These are the formulae. Now to understand these formulae correctly, we have to go through some problems. So let's start the problems now. The first problem is 2 to the power minus 1 into 5 to the power minus 1. Our first problem is 2 to the power minus 1 into 5 to the power minus 1. First problem, 2 to the power minus 1 into 5 to the power minus 1. Okay. Now 2 to the power minus 1 into 5 to the power minus 1 bracket close whole to the power minus 1 divided by 4 to the power minus 1. This is our first problem. Okay. Now we have to evaluate it with using the formula we have just learned. Now 2 to the power minus 1, what does it mean? That is 1 by 2. 5 to the power minus 1, that is 1 by 5, and whole to the power minus 1 divided by 4 to the power minus 1, that is 1 by 4. Okay. Now the next line, just multiply the digits, that is 1 by 2 into 1 by 5. 1 ones are 1 by 10. 1 by 10 to the power minus 1 and divided by 1 by 4. Proceed. 1 by 10 to the power minus 1. What does it mean? 1 by 10 to the power minus 1 means 10 to the power 1 by 10, that means 10 to the power minus 1, and whole to the power minus 1 is already there. 1 by 10 means 10 to the power minus 1 from this formula. Okay, and this minus 1 is remaining in this step. Now in the next step, power above power, that is there will be a multiplication, minus into minus 1, minus 1 into minus 1, that is it will be plus 1, that is 10 to the power minus 1 into minus 1, okay, divided by 1 by 4, that is 10 to the power plus 1, it is not to be written here, now divided by 1 by 4. Now what the answer is? 10 into 4 by 1. So your answer is 40. Okay, this is your answer. Now come to the next point. That is the second one. 4 to the power minus 1. 4 to the power minus 1. Number 2. The next point is number 2. 4 to the power minus 1 plus 8 to the power minus 1. 4 to the power minus 1 plus 8 to the power minus 1 divided by 2 by 3 whole to the power minus 1. This is the second sum. Now again just use the formula you have learned. 4 to the power minus 1 means 1 by 4, 8 to the power minus 1 1 by 8 divided 2 to the power 2 by 3 whole to the power minus 1, that is this fraction will be reversed, that is 3 by 2. Okay, 2 by 3 a fraction, minus 1 up to the minus 1 upon a fraction, therefore the fraction will be just reversed, 3 by 2. Reciprocal of the fraction will be written here. So 1 by 4 and 1 by 8, what does it mean? 8 and 4, just perform the LCM of 8 and 4, and which is 8. 8 divided 4, that is 2 ones are 2. 8 divided by 8, that is 1 ones are 1. Okay, now divided by 3 by 2. 2 plus 1, 3 by 8, and the division sign should be changed into multiplication and write the reciprocal of this number, that is 2 by 3. Now cut 2 by 8, 4 and 1, that is 1 by 4 is your answer. Now next come to the third sum. Now next come to the third sum. Our third sum is, viewers, 1 by 3 whole to the power minus 3 minus 1 by 2. Our third sum, very important, 1 by 3 whole to the power minus 3. This is our third sum. 1 by 3 whole to the power, second bracket, just write the second bracket, 1 by 3 whole to the power minus 3 minus 1 by 2 whole to the power minus 3. Okay, second bracket close, divided by 1 by 4 whole to the power minus 3. Now perform this. 1 by 3 whole to the power minus 3. What does it mean? Actually, what does it mean? This is 1 by 3 means 3 to the power minus 1. 3 to the power minus 1, and just put the minus 3 again, and 1 by 2, 2 to the power minus 1. Write the minus 3 again. Okay, 1 by 4 means 4 to the power minus 1, and write minus 3 again. Next step, minus 1 upon minus 1. Okay, now product of minus 1 and minus 3 will be held. 3 to the power minus 1 and minus 3, that is plus 3, minus 2 to the power minus 1 into minus 3, that is again plus 3, divided by 4 to the power minus 1 into minus 3, that is 4 to the power 3 here. So 3 to the power 3, what is the value of 3 to the power 3? It is 27. 2 to the power 3, it is 8, divided by 4 to the power 3, that is 4. 4 into 4, 16 4s are 64. So 27 minus 8, 19, and it is multiplication and 1 by 64, that is your answer is 19 by 64. Okay, this is your answer. 3 to the power 1 by 3 is equal to 3 to the power minus 1, 1 by 2 is equal to 2 to the power minus 1, and minus 3 and minus 3 was written again, and 1 by 4 is equal to 4 to the power minus 1, and 3 to the power minus 1 and the minus 3 double power, actually there is a double power, and when there is a double power they will be multiplied, that is minus 1 into minus 3 plus 3, minus 1 into minus 3 plus 3, minus 1 into minus 3 plus 3. Okay, now the simplified portion is here. Next we are going to do some more sums. Okay, so our next sum is, by what number should minus 6 to the power minus 1 be multiplied so that the product becomes 9 to the power minus 1. So what should be done here? Here the multiplication or the multiplier, by what number should this be multiplied? Let the multiplier be x. Okay, this is your starting. Let the multiplier be x. Let the multiplier be x. Therefore minus 6 whole to the power minus 1 into x is equal to 9 to the power minus 1. This is your equation. Now solve for x, that is minus 6 whole to the power minus 1, that means 1 by 6 minus 1 by 6 into x is equal to 1 by 9, implies x. Now find the value of x. X is equal to 1 by 9 divided by minus 1 by 6. Okay, anything to the left hand side, anything which is multiplied in the left hand side, when it is shifted to the right hand side must be divided, and the answer is 1 by 9 into 6 by 1, and the sign is minus, that is minus, cut it by 3, 2 by 3, 3, that is minus 2 by 3 is your answer. Okay, minus 2 by 3 is your answer. Now come to the fifth sum. By what number should this be divided so that the quotient may be this? Let the divisor be x. Let the divisor be x now. So minus 2 by 3 whole to the power minus 3 divided by x is equal to 4 by 27 whole to the power minus 2. And what does it imply? It does imply that minus 2 by 3 whole to the power minus 3, that is minus 3 by 2 whole to the power plus 3 divided by x, that is x is at the denominator, and here at the right hand side 27 by 4 whole to the power 2. Okay, now by cross multiplication you can get x into 27 by 4 whole square is equal to minus 3 by 2 whole to the power 3. Okay, now what the value of x? Now find the value of x, that is minus, at the right hand side minus 27 by 8, and it is to be reciprocal when it is shifted to the right hand side, that is 4 square, that is 16, and 27 into 27. Okay, so cut 27 and 27, 8 and 16, so your answer is minus 2 by 27. Okay, so what should be divided so that the quotient may be this? Let the divisor be x. This is x, and x into the second line is this. After amplification sign, this is the second line, this is third one. Okay, now minus 3 by 2 by x is equal to this, and the next line is this, and now the final line is this. Okay, minus 27 by 8 into 16 by 27. Yes, it is correct. Now proceed to the last sum. Proceed to the last sum of today, that is a solution. Now we have to learn how to solve, how to find the value of x for a solution. The sum is 5 to the power 2x plus 1. The sum number is first 6. 5 to the power 2x plus 1. 5 to the power 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1 divided by 25, and at the right hand side it is 125. So now how to perform is 5 to the power 2x plus 1, okay, and 25. How can you represent 25? It can be represented as 5 square, and at the right hand side it can also be represented as 5 cube. Okay, now as it is a division, the base should be same, the base should be remain same, and the indices and the power should be subtracted from the formula of exponents, that is 2x plus 1 minus 2, and at the right hand side it is 5 to the power 3. From the both side, all the bases from the both sides, the bases are equal. Therefore from the law of exponents, the indices must be equal. The indices must be equal. Therefore 2x plus 1 minus 2 is equal to 3. Okay, what the formula behind is, the formula is if a to the power m is equal to a to the power n, implies m is equal to n. This is the formula. Now 2x minus 1 is equal to 3, implies 2x is equal to 4, implies x is equal to 2. This is your answer. Okay, so this is all about today's class, and this is all about exponents. There are many more sums in exponents, but these sums are very important for you. So if you go minutely through this video, you must like and share and subscribe this, and don't forget to press the bell icon, because of CBSE Mathematics Class 8 there are many important videos are waiting to reach you. So please try to accept it. So for today, tata, goodbye and thank you.